Good evening, everyone. This is Dave from POV Drives. It's currently 12:11 a.m. and I'm on the way home from a week-long business trip. Thought I'd give you some late night driving impressions and a nice cold start from my Audi S4, and just kind of, take a little bit of a backseat drive approach, let you enjoy the exhaust, the touch points, the ergonomics of this car as I head home. So as you can hear, the car took a little bit to crank over. We've been sitting in the cold for about a couple days, so let's give it a little bit of time, let everything kind of warm up, let me warm up. It's 29 degrees. I just came back from Oklahoma, where it was at one point in the negative degrees of Fahrenheit. 47-minute drive home. Let's get to it. Ooh. I did not like that sound. Car was pretty stuck there. We're gonna take it nice and easy as we exit. Let you enjoy the exhaust in this garage. Nice RS5. I always like going to these garages. You can see a lot of cool cars. People away on their business trips and all that good stuff. We had this little spiral exit down. It's more interesting to hear during the day when I'm going up. Nice BMW M2.
What do you want to say to Nicole?
On way home, exclamation point. Siri, AI will never take over. Not gonna be too crazy with the exhaust and the revs and stuff. Car is very cold. Transmission cold, oil cold. Still hear some nice sounds bouncing off the ceiling. Getting up onto the highway at a nice glacial speed. Goodbye, Philly Airport. I will see you, sadly, in like 2 weeks. have a super intense 6-month training period, 1 week a month in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Just finished up week 2. Hopefully it's warmer for week 3. Week 3 is also a week before my wedding. Hopefully I have enough time to recover and not get sick. Anyway, settling into the highway, 70 miles per hour. Car is gonna slowly start warming up. I'm pretty warm myself. We'll check back in a bit. On the highway for a little under a half hour. Car's finally warmed up, engine and oil and stuff. I think we have like 2 more, I guess, on off highway entrances, so to speak. So I have some opportunities, including the one coming up to, whoa, all right, to have a little bit of fun, just like that guy who missed his exit. Let's chuck it into dynamic. Combination of kind of like exit to entrance highway ramps. Getting there. Can't believe I won't be in bed till like 1:30. Thank God it's a Friday. Alright, that was probably the last set of crazy highway entrances, so to speak. We'll just cruise on 422 home. Thanks for dropping in. Let me know what you think of this quiet, semi-talking video format. I don't know, just kind of throwing ideas out there, seeing what sticks. Driving cars, because that's what matters on this channel. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and if you didn't, let me know why. All right, see you on the next one. Maybe need more to that.